Hi friends, welcome to Everything Between C and D, where some days we get wet, some days we get dirty. Today we do both. Come enjoy the fun with us.
Connor, run all the way to me. Oh, he's going back further.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Nice work! Nice work. Where are you gonna go? Scooter time! Oh yeah, we found a bigger, better puddle. Go! Yes! Oh my gosh, look at this water. Oh, here he comes again. Whoa! I did! Yeah.
We had to run some errands and look at these awesome puddles we stumbled upon.
Yep, got me wet.
All the way up to you.
Got me again. Okay, let's sit down and take off our shoes. Do you feel like you have water in your shoes?
I do.
Okay, let's see. Let's take a look. Ready? We'll squeeze it. Oh my goodness.
No, this one.
Look at that water.
No, open it.
Are you ready?
Take it off.
Okay, pull your foot out. All right, let's pull your, hold on. Whoa, buddy.
Mom,
I think you just dumped all the water out yourself.
Mom.
What?
No,
Ready?
Wait, look. Yeah. I love chili after jumping puddles.
Me too. It is so cold outside. Decided last minute to make some chili. We got our ground turkey. We've got some beans, some tomato juice. Last minute things we found in the pantry. We're gonna give it a shot. Connor, you ready to make chili?
Yeah. What's your first? Meat.
Let's do the meat. Yep, pour it in.
All of it?
Yep. Chili's been cooking all day. We are ready. We've got our bowl, saltines, and some cheese on the top. Let's eat.
Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Connor has been asking for puddle jumping, but with puddle jumping, you typically need what? Rain. And we don't have any rain right now. So what we've got, we got some buckets. We got our beach bucket, we got our car washing bucket. We've got a shovel. Connor, show them our shovels.
Green.
The green shovel. Not sure where the purple shovel is.
Look,
And we got a hose. So we're gonna take this and make our own puddles and do some splash, mud fun. We'll see how this turns out. Everybody cross your fingers. Grab your shovel, let's start digging. Okay, I think we've got the X in pretty good shape. What do you think next? Ready to turn on the water?
I know. We take some more. Yes, because look. This side is packed out. We need to unbury that.
You need to unbury that side? Okay.
Look.
Got a little bit more digging to do. Connor, I think our X and our path looks really good. Are you ready to add some water?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Connor, are you still getting wet? You still need the umbrella?
Yeah. But I'm trying to hold down so it should not get me.
Good idea, good idea.
It's being all wet.
All right, give me a countdown.
1, and when the hand goes around, go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hand goes around. Go, go, go.
Let's try playground. Now let's try jumping it.
Look at this X. Look at this X. That's so cool.
Let's try jump. Let's see if it works.
Oh, it worked! Do it again. Yes. Mud puddle jumping. That's what happens in the desert. Is this what you expected, Connor?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some more water.
And you
Good idea, Connor. Let's make some letters with the hose.
wait a minute. Straight line.
Yeah. I see a straight line, a line at the bottom, and a line at the top. That looks like an I to me. Whoa, you're getting me wet. See? Whoa, you're getting me wet. Straight line. Oh, I love it. An I. Whoa, that's cold. That's cold. Oh my gosh, that's so cold. No, Connor. Ah! Ready, set, jump, jump. Yes.
It's the biggest puddle ever.
Last minute decision to put out some cones. And the team is coming out on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! The crowd goes wild.
Go, 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 go.
Yes.
That's so pretty.
I can hear you splashing around. Listen. You are dirty. You had fun playing in there today, didn't you?
Yeah, but Mom, can you find a hose? What?
The hose looks like it might be buried in a mud puddle.
Let's bring it out.
All right. Thanks to everybody for joining us on today's adventure. We really had a blast. So this really proves that you can go puddles jumping even when there's no rain. Go dig a little puddle and have tons of fun. See you on the next adventure with everything between C and D. Connor, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.